Hey traders, welcome back to the Forex Trading Channel. Here today, going to take a quick look at the Australian dollar, the Canadian dollar. We're on the daily chart, as you can see here. Some nice pushes to the downside, had a nice retracement, and then obviously we had this flash crash here where the markets tried to push us a little bit lower. Jumping to the 240 chart. You can see the push back up underneath this previous resistance, previous support should I say, turning into resistance, and from there it just now started to bounce around in this channel. The pair is now sitting in somewhat of a precarious position purely for the fact it's a big long wick to the downside and then the immediate push back up. The Australian dollar's strong at the moment, likewise is the Canadian dollar. Oil continues to push higher, which is propping up the Canadian dollar, increasing its strength, hence why we've seen this sideways action in the market. So what do we expect next? Well, that is the million-dollar question, and it's a bit tricky to gauge where we're going from here. Certainly after this flash crash does favour the downside to possibly retest this low, but likewise it could go either way. So essentially what I'll be looking for here is potential for this channel to continue, maybe retest the top side one more time. We've got a nice trend line coming in here too. Quite bounce off it here, but nonetheless we were close enough. And essentially, if we could get some accumulation under here, and then a break above this trend line and clear these tops, that would certainly encourage a lot of traders to go long, and hopefully we will then see it move to the downside. Likewise though, it really could go either way. We could just see this pair continue to consolidate, and it could break to the upside, and it could break to the downside. Certainly one to keep on the radar for the time being, just to check in and see what it's doing. I think it's going to take some significant fundamentals to really give this market a true direction. Certainly one I will be keeping an eye on over the coming days and weeks. It's unlikely that it will have accumulated too many stops above this level, purely for the fact that anyone going in short here has probably taken profit here. Likewise, people shorting here, I would imagine, will take profit here, just because it's formed this bit of a channel. There may be some swing traders still holding in here for this to push short, and with some accumulation at the top here and a push above, that will certainly generate some stops in and around these levels, depending on how this occurs. If this occurs, this may not occur at all. This may just push through either way, but this is the kind of setup that I will be looking for to get involved in this market. And just on a side note before I wrap up, it's something worth noting that if this does indeed break to the downside, there are a couple of key areas just to keep an eye on prior to the potential retest of the low. Obviously, you'll have to manage that as you see fit according to your trade plan. But yeah, let's keep an eye on this one, see where it. Anyway, traders, I hope you found this video informative. Please feel free to leave a comment, give it a like, and if you enjoy this type of content, then please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.